Hi, this is MalviyaOP. You are welcome to watch the solution for this challenging problem. Please read it carefully. Here, Rajesh walks from town A to town B in 40 days with a rest of 9 hours a day. So we can take the distance from A to B equal to D, and the speed of walk is S. So we can write distance D equals the speed of walk multiplied by the time of walk per day. And multiplied by the total number of days taken for the walk. So in this case it is S D equal to S multiplied by number of hours of walk per day would be, as the day is of 24 hours, so 24 minus 9 hours of rest per day and multiplied by 40 days. So this becomes D equals 15 S multiplied by 40, and let us take this as our equation number 1. Now for the walk from town B to A and again to town B, the distance here will be double. So the distance become 2D, and this is equal to the speed, which is again double, that is 2S, and time of walk per day would be 24 minus the rest, which is double of the previous one, so it becomes 18 hours. So 24 minus 18 multiplied by the days of walk, which we do not know. So 2D equals 2S multiplied by 6 and multiplied by number of days. So let us regard this as our equation number 2. Now let us divide equation number 2 by equation number 1. Equation 2 is divided by equation number 1. So equation 2 is 2D equals 2 into 6 into S multiplied by number of days, divided by equation 1, that is D, and this time this side divided by 15 into S multiplied by 40. So D is cancelled with this D, and by 3 this goes 4 times, and this goes for 5 times. 15 goes for 5 times. So we get 2 over 1 equals and 4 1 time 4 and 40 is goes 10 times with 4. So we get number of days divided by 5 into 10, that is 50, and the speed also goes with this speed here. So now number of days of walk becomes 2 multiplied by 50, that is 100 days. So, and this is the answer for this challenging question. So friends, I hope you will like this video. So please hit the like button and share the video as much as possible. And I request you to please subscribe to my channel in order to support me. Thank you for watching it. See you with the next video soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.